guys, so today I wanted to share with you guys my favorites in terms of comfortable clothes and basics that I love wearing because I'm always wearing athleisure, and especially because it's winter time, I always wear some of these pieces over my gym clothes before I go to the gym, and I take it off after I warm up. Especially because it is so cold, I don't wear just a t-shirt and shorts around the house anymore, and I found myself reaching for a lot of these things to keep warm. So if you want to know what they are, just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're gonna start with Brandy Melville things. I've been on a little Brandy Melville kick recently. Would that be the right term? I have no idea. But I've been to Brandy Melville twice within, I guess, like the past month because I'm obsessed with their basics. I remember shopping at Brandy when I was like in I think like high school, but I didn't realize that they had so many basic things, or they just came out with more. So I want to share this first one. This first one is a pair of sweatpants and crop zipped hoodie. I am wearing a sports bra under this right now, and it does have a hood, and it does perfectly match these sweatpants. They were, I guess, technically supposed to go together because they're the exact same color. And I love this waistband for these sweatpants because it does have that cinch style, so I find it very flattering, and it's also very comfortable. It's not like too tight around the waist. And these are actually mid-rise, they're not high-rise, or like at my belly button, so I would say it's a good in-between. And these do have pockets, and keep in mind I am 5'3", and they hit my ankle. I did get, I would say, like 2 other colors because I really like the way these fit. And I don't wear sweatpants too often, but when I do, I reach for these because I don't really have that many to begin with. So this kind of just started my collection of sweatpants. And the other 2 colors I got were this forest green, which I love this color. I love different shades of greens and blues because I find it most flattering on Asian or yellow, like olivey yellow skin tones. And next I got this pink, it's like this bubblegum pink color. I really like this color because even though I'm not actually a huge fan of pink, I like don't own almost anything pink. I really liked how bright this color was, so I got that as well. And in terms of hoodies like this, I got another color, which is just the white one. It's cropped as well, and it does have the pockets, a silver detailing with hoodies and drawstring. And the fit of this is a little more fitted, but it's not too tight. And it's like, I think, 100% cotton material. It's 75% cotton and 25% polyester. But I did find that when I wash these hoodies, I do hang dry like basically all my clothes, and when I hung dry them, it kind of lost its like softness, so keep that in mind. I feel like some people do like that rough texture after, I don't know why, but yeah, that's what is kind of normal, I guess, like after you wash it once. And moving on to other hoodies I got. Okay. So I got this black oversized hoodie. It does have that silver detail zipper as well with a hood, and even the sleeves are oversized, and then there's a cuff on the bottom. I love how this fits, and especially when I'm not like there are some days where I just don't want my clothes to be super fitted and cropped, and on those days I always wear that. And because I love that one, I started off with a black because it's something I could wear often. I did end up getting this gray one with a hood and silver detail as well. I think all of them have a silver detailing of the zipper, and it has the drawstrings and same fit. So I believe, because Brandy Melville is actually one size fits all, which is actually crazy to me that they haven't changed that yet. But as for that, I think it said, even though it's a one size fits all, it was like a large, extra large, or like a medium large. So that's what I guess they consider their oversized. And another color I got is this baby pastel blue. I love this color. It's still a good pop-up color from the other 2 that I got, obviously, but it's still very neutral and muted, so I could wear with a lot of different things. And I love these hoodies so much. This is all I grabbed for, honestly. This is a little random, but this is just a black button-up cardigan. Very basic, staple to have. It has a v-neck neckline, and the sleeves are pretty fitted, but not like super fitted because they are stretchy. And the cuff has like this ribbed detail, and this is a one size as well. And then this next one is a very basic long sleeve cropped Henley. It has 3 buttons here in the front, so you could either, you know, close it up or unbutton them. And the sleeves are a little oversized with the thicker cuff at the wrist, and I really like this because this is another layering piece I could just throw over like you know, like my sports bra when I go to the gym, and then take it off after I warm up. So yeah, and we're moving on from Brandy Melville things. So this one's actually the Nike, it's a palazzo, I don't remember. It's a Nike jogger. Got on Nordstrom on, I believe, Cyber Monday. And these ones are actually really long on me, but I did find that folding the waistband does shorten them a bit. I believe Nordstrom does hemming if you have a Nordstrom card there, but I'm just kind of too lazy to take it in, and especially because it's a jogger, I'm scared it'll get messed up. So I just fold the waistband, and these are extremely soft. Like, I thought Brandy ones are really soft, but these ones are so soft. It feels a lot more like plushy. I got this in a size small, and it's just another good basic black sweatpant to have because I don't have that many sweatpants. And another place I found that has good joggers or like sweatpants is actually H&M. So the band here is a little bit shorter than the Brandy, but it does have that cinch. If you could tell, the Brandy is a little thicker right here, and the H&M is a little more shorter and thin. But this one is really good. It's a little more slim fit than the Brandy Melville ones or the Nike one, because the others are very true sweatpant style, a little more balloony. Yeah, H&M has had a lot of colors, and they're very affordable prices. So I believe I got that one for like 20 bucks. So yeah, that's another good place to check out sweatpants. Okay, I say I don't wear sweatpants, but I don't know, something about this year just made me want to get a lot. Maybe because I'm always like lounging around the house lately. But this is a gray and black sweatpant from Asos or Asos. I don't know how people truly pronounce it, but this one was in a 2-pack. I believe it was like, I got this like during quarantine, so I don't know if it was 20 or like 30, something along those lines. I'll try to find it and link it below, but I found it was such a value deal for these 2 basic sweats. And this fabric is a little more thinner than the other sweatpants I've mentioned. The thickest has to be the Nike and Brandy Melville, and then H&M is a little bit more thinner, but these ones are thinnest and more lightweight. So this is more of like a lounging jogger, not really like something I guess you could rely on to keep you warm. So yeah, and these ones are the petite version because I am 5'3", like I said, so this one does hit me right at the ankle. So I'm not quite sure. I feel like if I were to get joggers on their site again, I would just get the regular length, because it's kind of awkward how it just kind of sits at my ankle. It's not really like a balloony jogger, it's more like a slim fit as well, so it looks a little awkward, but I really like them because of the value and what I got for them. Next, moving on to a little bit more pricier joggers or like comfortable pants. This one is actually from Athleta. It does have that like very track style look to it, and it has very thin cuffs on the bottom. This is at like, this fabric is 85% nylon and 15% spandex, and I got a size 4 in these. I actually don't have any nylon pants like this, but I found that it would be good for like the spring or summertime, just to layer over or just throw some long pants on if I needed to. So I really like the way, honestly, these look. That's why I got it. And yeah, they're very, very comfortable and lightweight. So more for the spring or summer, I highly recommend looking at Athleta. They are a little bit more pricier, but their quality is, you know, just or a little or just as good as Lulu. So Love these. Okay, next, moving on to Lulu. So first I wanted to mention the Ready to Lulu joggers. These are very, very staple joggers, apart from another one I'll show you right after. It does have the thicker cuff on the bottom, and I did get these hemmed because Lulu hems their joggers complimentary at the store. Well, they send it out, and I'm actually probably gonna make a Lulu collection or like and favorites because I used to work there, so I wanted to make a whole video on that, but that's just gonna take a whole lot of time because I do have a lot, so I'm probably gonna make that soon though. And I wanted to mention these, and it does have the drawstring and a thicker waistband. These are made out of the Lulu fabric. I got a size 4, and I really, really like these. They're like very similar in touch to the Lulu fabric, the Align fabric that everyone loves, but it's actually a little different, and I love them because of how soft they are. And another one I wanted to show you guys, actually the Align jogger. So that one kind of fits a little more, still slim fit, but a little more looser and like a true sweatpant. Whereas this one, this is the Align jogger from Lulu as well, and it has a thick cuff on the bottom. I got this in a size 4, and this is in the, yeah, I believe this is in the 28-inch inseam because I don't, the cropped one, I didn't really like the way it looked. This one, it does have that typical V on the back that the Align leggings have, and this is actually my second pair. This is why it has a tag on it. It's more of like a tight-fitting jogger, or just something a little looser than a legging, so I really, really like these. I can work out in these as well. Okay, moving on to like hoodies or crew necks. This is a zip up hoodie I got in a value pack with the gray one. The gray one's actually in the wash. So lightweight. And honestly, this jacket is made, you kind of like, you see, like you hear, it's kind of made very cheaply, but I really like it because of the price I got for it, and I'm always wearing layers to the gym. Next, I wanted to share Uniqlo. Very good basics. This is not cropped, it's just a regular length hoodie. Moving on to their other hoodie that I have a couple colors in. This is their Arism Performance or Sports line. It is a very like lightweight fabric. It's very, very stretchy, and this is like their beige color. They have tons of different colors, and their hood is very like lightly lined as well, like in terms of the seam. Their sleeves have the thumb holes in them. I really like these because they are sweat wicking. I wear this over my gym stuff, and I can just stay wearing them throughout my workouts, and it dries very quick. I have this in like this midnight blue color. Sleeves right here, yeah. This midnight blue color, white and black. I actually originally got these in a small, but I found that I like the extra small fit better because it kind of not gives a cropped look, but a little more fitted and not as loose, because they are a little bit of a looser fit. So I like getting them in an extra small. Okay, next I have this pullover. So this one is from Pretty Little Thing. So I have it in gray and black. It's a very like raw edged cropped pullover, and it's made out of like a cotton fabric. I actually find that I sweat a lot if I keep this on, so I try not to keep it on too long, and I just take it off after I warm up. For some reason the black actually came a little bit more cropped. I don't know if I got like a defected one or what, but gray one is a good length. And lastly, I wanted to share this Amazon long sleeve crop top. It's just made out of a cotton fabric. It has thumb holes as well with a thick cuff, and it's just a basic long sleeve crop top that is very lightweight, and I'm always looking for things to layer over my sports bras, so I got this one, you know, not expecting much. I actually got a medium. I got a medium for more of an oversized fit, I believe. So if you want to check that out, they have a bunch of different colors and sizes as well. So I'll link all these below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully I can find a lot of these items. If not, I will try to post similar ones with the pricing all below. And so if you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll try to make more videos like this, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.